Okay. So, how are you today, Joe?
Fine.
Fine. Okay, tell me what are you learning in your class?
I'm learning about directions.
Okay, tell me where do you live specifically?
I live on Jalan Sudirman, uh, Jalan Sudirman,
Mm-hmm.
Pangkal Pinang City, and I live in a residence called Grahapuri.
Okay. How long does it take from your house to TGV?
It takes about like 7 minutes.
7 minutes. I
Yeah.
think it's not far then. So how to guide if let's say I want to visit your house, how do you guide me to go to your house from TGV?
So far.
Mm.
Uh,
From TGV, you can
I don't know.
for me, it's better you can guide me by mention some public places or some famous places that we most of people know.
Model Miss first on TV, you will go, straight, and then turn left until you see like an alley, and then when you go to the alley, you will see the Sukai, right? The Suka building. Then after that, you will turn right again, go straight, and then after that, you will turn left. After turning left, you will just go straight, and then um, probably you will find a like a highway, I think, like a highway. And then after you see the highway, you just go straight, and then if you see like a what's Korea?
What?
What's Korea?
University.
Campus.
University.
When you see Atmali University, you will go past you'll go past by it, and then after that just go to the residence. Yeah. Right.
How is the traffic in Pangkal Pinang so far?
It's slow. It's quite good. The,
The
the
reason,
traffic. What?
the reason you feel like it's quite good. Can you explain more about the traffic in Pangkal Pinang? How
The
is it?
traffic isn't that bad because there are less people. There are less people.
Mm.
You know, there are less people like riding in the like highway. Sometimes if there is an event or like something like a event, it will be quite crowded.
It will be crowded.
Yeah.
Do you like to go to school late?
Not really.
Not really.
I will probably go like when it's almost like when it's almost 7.
Okay. So do you think that is because of your house is far to your school or it's because of the traffic?
Well, I will probably say it's because quite it's quite far from my school.
Okay. No, I make sure the light.
Um, it's quite far, but sometimes if it's raining, if it's raining really hard, it will probably be traffic on the way.
Okay, if it's like morning time, you'll be busy, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, by the way, just now you mentioned your house is on Jalan
Sudirman.
Sudirman. Would you
Eh?
mind?
Sudirman? I don't know, I forgot.
Okay. I mean, like, would you mind to describe about how does your house look like?
Selindung, Selindung. Selindung bukan
Okay.
Sudirman.
Okay. So on Jalan Selindung. So would you mind to describe about how does your house look like?
My house is has a white wall and a brown roof. In front of that there are aquariums. In front of my house there is a what is what I guess?
An empty land.
Oh yeah, empty land. And at the terrace there is an aquarium and a bench. There is also a rack of shoes. At the at the left side, there is my neighbor's house. Yeah.
If let's say your friend wants to visit your house, is that hard to find your house?
I guess it's not quite hard. But sometimes people also get confused by it because of the map direction. Because it's really complicated there. It has many
Paths, alleys.
yeah, paths.
Let's say your friend. Let's say you have shared Google Map to your friend about your house location, but they are still struggling to find. How do you describe? How do you explain more about it?
I will probably tell them like it's on the corner, really corner. And
You
like
can mention the name of the residence.
the cluster is Damar, right? And when you enter the cluster, you will just go right, go straight, and then you go until you're at the center.
At the corner.
At the corner, and you will find it.
So if let's say there are so many corner right at the south, like
No, because if you're going straight, there is two like two
They
ways.
are.
There are two ways, right? Um, but if you just go straight and then go to the corner, there will be no houses
oh,
at the
okay, at the corner.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe if let's say they are still hard to find your house, what do you suggest them to do?
Go home.
Of course, no. There is the post office.
Just ask the.
Maybe they can ask your parents' name or what to help. Okay. All right. So, do you love your city? Do you love your city?
Not really.
Why?
Because it's really out of update sometimes. Like when other cities already have this, they haven't had like that one building, and it's also not really
Sophisticated.
sophisticated. It's not really sophisticated.
So, what do you recommend for our city, Pangkal Pinang?
I recommend you check TikTok more.
Mall.
Yes. At more because a lot of teens are like having always predict the
Do you think that why the Pangkal Pinang doesn't have mall because of people here mostly don't work in big companies. So what for we build a mall because most of the product or store in mall are really expensive. It will be quiet, believe me. Don't you think about it?
I don't know because Bangka is quite like but it's quite crowded there. There are a lot of people there, but I think it's it's more crowded at Jakarta than here. That's why.
For you, if Jakarta people go to visit Bangka, what do they want to see?
They will probably they would probably want to see the what is Wisata?
Huh?
Wisata.
Tourism destination.
Yeah, the tourism places, the traditional foods. Yeah, probably just like that.
What are our iconic places here? You said that the tourist destination just now.
Probably it's more. They will probably visit Sungai Liat more.
Yeah. What is the name of the place?
Like the popular beach, I forgot the beach
Okay.
name.
Beach.
Yeah,
Point
beach.
is beaches. Okay.
Not
That's what
beach,
I
beach.
yeah, beaches. Not to the shore. It's different meaning later. Okay, so far, do you think that this to close the assessment, do you think is this topic is kind of hard for you?
Yeah, because it's for me. Um, I really struggle on telling people directions. Sometimes I even struggle to know where my house is, where the direction is. Like that.
Okay, alright. I think that's all.
I think that's all. Thank you.
Continue.